Well, here we are again doing another farm video. DM Exotics bringing you guys these exclusive videos from a real reptile farm here in Indonesia. I really enjoy being able to share all this with you guys, give you guys an exclusive look at what this is like over here. These are where my animals come from. We have not been here for, what, like a year or so? Something like that?
Yes.
So my supplier, when he knows we're coming over, he always makes sure he puts some animals aside so he doesn't disappoint us. So I have no idea what we're going to be seeing, but we're going to go look. All of us, you're going to see what I see, and that's it. We're here. Let's check this out. Okay, you guys, this is what I came for. Hatchling scrubs. I believe there may be more here than I have permits for, but we're gonna work on getting them all over. But these are all farm bred babies, and there are many of them. I am going to say that these, without asking, have had their very first shed. So, because I'm seeing some that look like this, with an animal that is fresh shed and an animal that has not yet had its first shed. So this is the good stuff. So there's a couple barn necks here, you guys. I'm gonna try to get a mixed bag in, and again, the numbers are a bit limited, so it's gonna take some time. These are gonna have to come over in 2 groups. Northern or gold white-lip pythons, D'Albert's pythons. I'm going to kind of focus this video on the stuff that I have a personal interest in, and I'm going to be bringing in for you dedicated customers. Okay, and there's a couple oddballs here. Okay, you guys, we have some larger sarong animals. Post shed, this animal's going to be amazing. Looks like it's starting to dull out right now and it's going into shed. Post shed, this animal would be absolutely amazing. And it'll be amazing when it chomps onto my forearm. Here's another sarong animal, slightly different, like sub-locality, I guess you would say, but beautiful stuff I'm finding here. Okay, you guys, I found a couple black D'Alberts. I'll check the sex after I turn the camera off. I don't know what these are. I believe I have 2 on permits, and hopefully it won't be a problem to get them in, but see what happens. It's a lot of pythons here, a lot of specialty pythons that are right up my alley, and I'm very, very happy. And like I said, you guys, this is what happens when my supplier knows I'm coming. He doesn't want to disappoint me, so he kind of stocks up stuff for me that, you know, it's all my specialty stuff that most of you guys like as well. They're not breeding, they're just holding each other. Golly, look at the size of that thing. Big viper boa, you guys. Big female. A little bit of a blemish here, but still, this animal's quite impressive. I want to look through and see what else we got in here. It's quite interesting looking color. This one here is slightly aberrant, has some striping, connected pattern to it. I see an actual striped one here, but I can't reach it, so I'm using the grabbers. That's interesting. Nice looking color, small one. You guys, I stumbled across some Candoya carinata, some Indonesian dwarf tree boas, and I found some pretty interesting ones. I tossed them all together in this box. This at first kind of got my attention because it's so light and partially striped, but as I started digging through all the different boxes, I found some amazing animals I just wanted to show you. How about that? Or that. Some good sized animals here as well. A little bit different. There's a lot of variation in here. Haven't really gotten a nice look at all of them, but these stand out, of course, in particular. So right now I'm standing in the rodent room. Want to give you guys again an inside look into the reptile farm. I can't speak for other farms. I can only speak for this particular farm, the one that I do business with, that I'm affiliated with. They raise their own rodents. I know there's a lot of people that think they know how all this works, but they don't. So yeah, this whole building is mice, the whole thing. Chicks get delivered twice a week. Crickets are delivered. Fish are delivered. It's a farm, you know, it's a working reptile farm. Animals need to eat, and they either raise it or they source it. And this is just kind of an inside look showing you guys how it really works. And that is going to do it from the reptile farm here in Indonesia. DM Exotics, I really enjoy being able to share with you what a real reptile farm looks like and provide to you guys this exclusive content. Now, we were here picking animals for our next shipment. It will be landing quite soon. We're going home in the next couple of days. And that is about it. If you liked the video, feel free to like and share. Hit subscribe if you are enjoying our content. And that is about it. We will see you guys in the next video. Take care of yourselves. Bye.